Hello! To turn on or off easy mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the display, and again you have to scroll down, actually all the way, no, all the way down, right here until you find the easy mode. And let's go in here, and we simply have the switch to enable this easy mode. And as you can see, the easy mode makes text and on-screen items appear larger, and it also increases touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions and provide a high contrast keyboard for better readability. And all you have to do is enable it by pressing this switch, and we have more options to adjust the touch and hold delay, as you can see, for very short, for long, and we can set a custom value, as you can see. That is pretty interesting. And let's discard these changes right here, and we also can toggle the high contrast keyboard. As you can see, we have 4 keyboards available, and we can also toggle it. We can disable this option and enable it like this. And yeah, that's basically how to turn on or off the easy. Oh, actually, to turn off this easy mode, all you have to do is just press this switch right here on the easy mode, and it is disabled right now. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.